Welcome to Chapter 3, Visual Objects, Part 1. Chapter 3, Essential Outcomes. Students communicate, collaborate, create, and apply critical thinking skills through project-based learning by constructing, computing, and designing objects in Google Drawings for web pages, empowering and challenging each other to create unique designs, demonstrating knowledgeable game development using Scratch, being responsible web designers and digital citizens, sharing their innovative designs via global networking, linking keywords to project application. Google Professional Site. At this point, I want you to log into your Google Professional website on your Google Drive. Underneath the Web Design folder, create a subpage called Chapter 2. Open up your project website on your flash drive. You will take two screenshots, one of your actual web page and one of your coding in Notepad++. Take a screenshot of your project website in Chapter 2 and then paste it into Paint. Crop out what you don't need. Save your image to your Chapter 2 project website folder on your flash drive, and then upload the image to your Chapter 2 page in Google Sites. Remember to publish your web page, and then follow the same procedures for adding your Notepad++ coding onto the Google website. Then return to this PowerPoint when you have finished. Sketchnoting. Sketchnoting is a form of note-taking that brings more visuals into the process of note-taking than typical note-taking. Now, some of you might have already learned how to use sketchnoting, but I think it's important for us to review this since we are going to be using some form of sketchnoting to create our projects for our logos and our masthead. So, what we want to do is learn how to draw objects. So at this point in time, I would like you to stop the video, go to Google Classroom, and access the video, What is Sketchnoting? Make sure you answer all the questions in the quiz. How to sketch without drawing. You've seen some examples of sketchnoting with drawing on the video that you watched. However, there are some people who believe that not all of us are endowed with artistic talent. Though this is not really true, you can sketch without being a perfect artist. There are other ways that you can sketch without drawing really elaborate designs. So at this time, I'd like you to stop the PowerPoint and go to Google Classroom and open up the video, How to Sketch Without Drawing. Once you have finished, please return to this PowerPoint. Make sure you answer all of the questions in the video. Welcome back. It is now time to actually learn how to sketch. On the middle table, there should be some blank paper. You want to pick up about 3 sheets. You will need also a pencil and probably an eraser. If you do not have a pencil with you, there are pencils on my desk in a plastic container. You can actually just take one, and you probably will need to sharpen it as well. The next video you will be watching is going to teach you how to learn to draw basic objects so that you can turn them into something useful. So I want you to stop the video, go to Google Classroom, and look for How to Draw to Remember More. While watching the video, I want you to draw out the objects that the presenter presents. So I suggest that when the presenter presents an object, you pause the video and draw it out using the 3 pieces of paper that you picked up from the table. Have fun and enjoy drawing and creating. Chapter 3, Part 1 Quiz. Please take time to review this PowerPoint and the quizzes you have taken in the videos before taking the quiz. You may find the quiz on Google Classroom and look for Chapter 3 Part 1 quiz. Before exiting out of this video, make sure you have shown me your designs that you did while you were watching the video before moving on to the next video.